Are you tired of worrying about the security of your sensitive data? Meet SENTintel, the SDS distribution solution that sets the industry standard. Unlike other platforms, SENTintel automatically distributes updated safety data sheets to clients without needing to access your client list. Your confidential information remains safe and secure. Chemwatch has over 30 years of experience in the chemical safety industry. We developed SENTintel to comply swiftly with new and updated SDS requirements. But that's not all. SENTintel employs advanced encryption techniques to anonymize and protect contact lists. Your clients get real-time notifications the moment their SDS distribution emails are dispatched. They can track every step of the process and have peace of mind. We go even further to ensure your client's privacy. They can access their SDS using non-identifiable login credentials. What are you waiting for? Upgrade to SENTintel today and experience the gold standard in SDS distribution.